The Copernicus Marine Service offers free-of-charge ocean data and information that is sustained over time and user-driven. Whether you are a scientist, a maritime business, or curious citizen, you can find ocean data and knowledge to fit your needs. After finding your product of interest in the catalog, access its information page by clicking on the relevant card and click on the button Download Product. Fill in your connection parameters that you obtained through your registration and click Login. You will reach the download page. The Report Issue button allows you to report a problem with this download section to user support. A product is made of several data sets containing different variables. Select your data set with the drop-down menu. Choose your geographical area, time range, depth, if available for 3D products, the needed variable, If you click on button Download, you will download the data corresponding to your selection. Clicking the button Download options, you will reach a page listing all the download options related to your product. Using the subsetter, the following criteria are taken into account: geographical area, depth, time range, variables. Using the Direct Get file, the only criterion taken into account will be time range. Expanding the View Script menu will give you an introduction to the scripted download function with useful information such as requirements, template command, usage limits and quotas, useful links. Filtering is not applicable for FTP access. No criteria taken into account. You will access a classic FTP. It is recommended to use an FTP client accessible with your Copernicus Marine Service credentials. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to check our Help Center or contact us through the chat, the Contact Us online form, or by email at the address servicedesk.cmems@mercator-ocean.eu.